it's Caroline. Welcome to my channel. Hi. So I'm starting off with Luscious from my Peach palette as my base. So my base is done, now I want to use As You Wave. This is from Colourpop. I'm not taking this color as high as I took my base, but I'm just gonna put it enough so that you can see it peeking through my Monolid. I'm taking Summer Yum. This is one of my favorite browns. Now for this, I'm gonna use a brush. And I'm starting in my outer corner, really just tapping the product on. I'm going towards my inner corner. And now I'm going to take my blending brush and blend this out. Now that both eyes are done, I'm going to use Cobbler just for a little more dimension. So for this color, I'm going to use my finger and just quickly swipe it outer corner to inner corner so you can see the very subtle difference between this eye and this one. So now our eyes are looking like this. So pretty! I'm gonna take Lightning Bug. This is such a pretty glittery eyeshadow from Colourpop. I'm just gonna tap this on. So I'm using Perversion from Urban Decay. Okay. Just quickly lining my eye. It doesn't need to be perfect because I'm gonna smudge it out anyways. And so now I'm taking a black shadow and I'm just gonna go over that black. And then I'm gonna use this to kind of outline where my liquid liner needs to be. For liner, for my eyes at least, I found that a flatter line is more flattering than something that's super turned up. I'm following the natural shape of my eye here. I'm not gonna force a wing that's super angled. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite waterproof eyeliner. I'm really particular in the way that I curl my lashes because lashes are hard to curl with monolids. It's hard to get your lashes to stay up. I'm gonna start at the bottom and then curl towards my nose. I forced them a little bit this way, and since my monolid is hanging over them, it doesn't look like this. It's going up. I'm gonna use this waterproof mascara from Laneige. It's Hypnose Drama, and I know what you're thinking. My waterline is not lined at all, but we can kill two birds with one stone by getting a little messy with the mascara. So it really opens up your eyes if you let your mascara wand touch your waterline. This way I don't have to go through and actually line my waterline with a pencil, because when I do that it gets all over my bottom line and then it just looks like a mess. Usually after I finish my mascara, I like to go over my eyeshadow one more time, not the whole thing but my liner. I just want to add a little more black here. I want to get my inner corners and right in the center of my eye. I'm going to use Marzipan for my inner corner, and then Creme Brulee for right under my eye. Again, I'm using my finger, and I'm just going to place Marzipan right on my corners. Okay, and then I want a little bit more shine, so I'm going to use Creme Brulee, and this is going to go right under my pupil. I'm really just tapping it on. It's pretty much going right on my waterline. So I'm taking this Nars concealer in Custard. Place this on my cheeks. Most of my redness is in my cheeks, so concentrate most of it there. And a little on the nose, and some on the chin. Now I'm going to use Kevyn Aucoin's bronzer. So I like to put on highlight before I put on my blush. The reason that I like to put it on before blush is because I feel like it helps achieve that glow from within. Now let's add some color. I'm taking this right in between my highlight and bronzer. And I'm sweeping that to apples of my cheeks. And last but not least, top it all off with some lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick all year round. It's Velvet Teddy from MAC. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like or subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!